I'm Merci Rossmango, and I'm the principal at Centennial Junior High. I nominated Angie Floyd to be spotlighted as my office manager. She is really the glue that holds everything together. The biggest thing I love most about her is her desire to make sure that everybody who comes into the office feels welcomed. She is thoughtful, kind, empathetic, just all around amazing.
My name is Angie Floyd. I am the office manager here at Centennial Junior High, and I am starting my 7th year here working in the school district at this school. My piece of advice would be just to enjoy every minute of it. You never know what kind of effect you're having on people, and I love the junior high kids because this is the hardest time for them. They're trying to figure out who they are, they're trying to figure out what they like. Every day is an adventure, but I hope that I have a positive influence as they walk in the door.